Optimizing the performance of database systems and applications is time-consuming and costly. Database administrators can spend as much as 25 to 30% of their time managing application performance and tuning SQL queries. Welcome to Db2 AI. Db2 AI for z/OS uses IBM machine learning to enhance the SQL query performance of Db2 subsystems. This helps improve application performance and reduces the need for complex skills required to tune the application. The Db2 AI solution takes care of data science and automation of models' lifecycle without requiring data to be moved off the mainframe platform. Once installed and configured, the web portal is used for further management and monitoring. To access the Db2 AI web portal, enter the URL path in your browser. Once logged in, the Db2 Connections page is displayed, showing the subsystems that have been added and their current ML status, running or stopped. Let's start by adding a new Db2 connection. On the Db2 Connections page, click on the Add New Connection to add a Db2 subsystem for machine learning. Here you can enter all the required information to establish a connection for a Db2 subsystem. You can also validate that your connection to Db2 can be established before creating. Once you click on the Create button, Db2 AI will create the required table objects, stored procedures, and UDFs and configure the Db2 subsystems for machine learning. New Db2 subsystems will now show up on the Connections page, where you can enable machine learning on the new Db2 subsystem by clicking the green Play button. Once machine learning is enabled, SQL execution history will automatically be collected and machine learning models will be created based on SQL execution thresholds. Static SQL will use an available model at the next bind or rebind, whereas dynamic SQL can exploit an available model at the next full prepare. To view the SQL performance dashboard from the Connections page, click on the drop-down and select SQL Optimization. Let's start off with the Package Selection screen. Here, users can add available packages, compiled SQL corresponding to a user's application program, which will tell Db2 AI which programs to monitor and optimize. On the Model dashboard, you can see the current models for your connection. Db2 AI manages the entire data science experience for you. The Model dashboard is for your information only, and no action is required to automate the machine learning process. There are three types of models. Parallelism models determine the optimal degree of parallelism to be used by the SQL optimizer. The program variable model has the ability to predict host variables for a given query. And the screen scrolling model has the ability to predict the number of rows fetched by an application based on SQL execution history. On the SQL metrics page, we can see which packages are using models and the performance results of those SQL statements, specifically whether the performance has improved, regressed, or remained unchanged. For each statement, you can view the performance of individual access paths, as well as lock or unlock access paths, and view explained data information for each path, making your query optimization more detailed and customizable based on your needs.